Before we dive into the fascinating and sometimes unsettling world of OSINT, open source intelligence, let's start with a quick but important disclaimer. This video is created strictly for educational purposes only. Our intention is not to encourage any illegal or unethical activity, but to help you understand the risks so you can better protect your privacy and security online. Today we're going to show you just how much personal information your phone number can reveal about you. Most people don't realize that something as simple as a phone number can be a gateway to your digital life. By understanding these risks, you'll be empowered to take steps to safeguard your own data. In 2025, your phone number isn't just a tool for making calls or sending texts. It's become a digital key, one that can unlock a surprising and sometimes shocking amount of your private data, from your social media profiles to your location history and even your financial information. In this video, we'll walk you through 15 advanced OSINT techniques that hackers and investigators use to track people using nothing more than a phone number. By the end, you'll know exactly what's at stake and how to protect yourself. Let's get started. Social media enumeration has evolved dramatically in recent years, becoming far more sophisticated and far-reaching than ever before. What once required manual searching and guesswork is now largely automated, making it easier for both investigators and malicious actors to uncover your online presence with just a few clicks. Automated tools now probe hundreds of platforms at once, inputting your phone number or email into account recovery fields to see where you're registered. These tools can scan everything from mainstream networks to obscure forums, rapidly checking for any trace of your digital identity across the web. A single hit can reveal your profile picture, partial email, and username, instantly linking your number to your online identity. This information, once exposed, can be pieced together to form a surprisingly detailed snapshot of who you are, even if you thought your accounts were private. Attackers then reverse image search your photo and check username permutations, mapping out your digital footprint. By cross-referencing usernames and images, they can connect your accounts across different platforms, even those you may have forgotten about or rarely use. Suddenly, your friends' interests and workplace are exposed. Details like your connections, hobbies, and employment history become accessible, painting a vivid picture of your personal and professional life for anyone determined enough to look. All from one automated query, this process can happen in seconds, without you ever knowing it's taking place. The sheer speed and efficiency of these tools make them both powerful and potentially dangerous. This is the first domino in building a complete digital dossier, a comprehensive file that can be used for anything from targeted advertising to more malicious purposes like identity theft or social engineering. Protecting your information has never been more important. In today's digital world, data breaches have created a vast, ever-expanding ocean of leaked information. Every time a company is hacked, millions of personal records spill out into the dark corners of the internet, forming a massive, interconnected web of stolen data. This data doesn't just disappear, it lingers, waiting to be exploited. Hackers and cybercriminals now use sophisticated correlation engines, private, powerful search tools designed specifically for stolen data. With just a single piece of information, like your phone number, they can instantly pull up every record tied to you from countless breaches, all in a matter of seconds. These tools allow them to link your number to a shocking array of personal details, your home addresses, usernames, email accounts, passwords, and even sensitive medical information, all gathered from different breaches over the years. The result is a unified, highly detailed profile that can reveal answers to your security questions, expose old and new passwords, and even uncover information about your family members and close contacts. It's a cascading privacy failure, all triggered by something as simple as your phone number. With one search, your digital life can be laid bare, exposing you to identity theft, scams, and targeted attacks. Years, sometimes decades of digital exhaust, every online account, every forgotten password, pieced together in seconds by these relentless engines. The end result? A horrifyingly complete picture of your life, assembled from fragments you never thought would resurface, now available to anyone with the right tools and the wrong intentions. Think VoIP or burner numbers keep you anonymous? Think again. Attackers use carrier lookups to spot VoIP numbers, then pivot to target the linked email or App Store account. They analyze number behavior, like silent SMS, to confirm if it's active. Burner numbers often become a signpost to your real identity. Weak security in these apps makes them easy targets. What you thought was a privacy shield is actually a vulnerability. Public records and data brokers are gold mines for attackers. Automated scrapers pull your number from property records, court filings, and business registrations. Data brokers aggregate this with credit, social, and purchase info, then sell it. With a single query, an attacker can get your name, address history, relatives, and more. Your phone number is the index to your entire offline life. It's the thread that unravels your privacy. Forget basic reverse lookup sites. Dark web services go further. They combine public, broker, and breach data with compromised telecom info. For a fee, attackers can get real-time location, call logs, even SMS content. These tools, once reserved for intelligence agencies, are now available to anyone with cryptocurrency. Your number in the wrong hands can mean total surveillance. Social engineering targets the weakest link, humans. Attackers gather your personal details, then call your carrier pretending to be you. With enough info, they convince reps to forward your calls or reset your account. This opens the door to SIM swap attacks, letting them intercept your 2FA codes and take over your accounts. One convincing story, and your digital life is hijacked. The phone number becomes the weapon. All it takes is one undertrained customer service agent. Financial apps like Venmo and PayPal are tied to your number. Attackers use Find Friends features to reveal your name, photo, and sometimes transaction history. Public transactions expose your social circle and spending habits. Attackers can send phishing links via tiny transactions or target your friends. Your number is the entry point to your financial and social web. What's meant for convenience becomes a privacy risk. Messaging apps leak more than you think. Saving your number lets attackers see your WhatsApp or Telegram profile photo and status. They can reverse image search your photo to find other accounts. Status messages and last seen times reveal your habits and travel. All this without ever sending you a message. It's passive, invisible surveillance. Password reset flows can leak critical metadata. Entering your number in recovery forms often reveals partial emails or security questions. Attackers use these clues to guess your email or learn about your interests. Some sites even show full recovery emails or personal questions. Each attempt gives away another piece of your identity. The password reset page becomes an interrogation tool. Spam calls aren't just annoying, they're data points. Marketing analytics platforms track number activity, confirming if your number is live. Attackers use this to time social engineering calls or infer your financial situation. Robocall logs reveal patterns and vulnerabilities. The digital noise you ignore is being weaponized. Online wishlists and registries are OSINT goldmines. Entering your number can reveal your name, city, and interests. The items you want expose your lifestyle, hobbies, and even family status. Shipping info can narrow down your address. Combined with other data, attackers can pinpoint your location. Even your partner's name or due date can be exposed. SS7 is the backbone of global mobile networks, and it's dangerously insecure. Attackers with SS7 access can track your location, intercept calls and texts, and steal 2FA codes. They don't need your phone, just your number. This is real-time, invisible surveillance at the network level. It's the ultimate wiretap, bypassing almost any security. And it's still shockingly easy for sophisticated attackers. Mobile ad networks quietly build detailed profiles linked to your phone number. Malicious apps can connect your number to your advertising ID, unlocking your app usage, location history, and demographics. Attackers use ad network APIs to track your movements and interests. They don't need to hack your phone, just tap into the ad ecosystem. Surveillance capitalism, repurposed for targeted intelligence. Your number is the bridge between your real and digital life. Food delivery and ride-sharing apps leak more than you realize. Attackers exploit APIs or pose as drivers to access trip and order histories tied to your number. This reveals your home, work, routines, and even dietary habits. Social engineering can extract even more from support lines or restaurants. These services create a map of your real-world movements. Your number is the key to your daily life. If someone steals your phone or SIM, the risk doesn't end with the device. SIM cards store logs, old messages, and unique identifiers. Forensic tools can extract this data, making social engineering attacks against your carrier almost foolproof. Attackers can use your SIM in a burner phone to intercept messages or in a reader to pull residual data. The SIM is the physical key to your digital kingdom. Losing it can be catastrophic. That's 15 ways your phone number can dismantle your privacy. The takeaway? Awareness is your first defense. Lock down your privacy settings, use unique emails, and enable app-based 2FA. Most breaches happen through human error, so audit your habits. If you found this valuable, like and subscribe for more deep dives. Let us know which method shocked you most in the comments. And check out our sponsor. They actually help protect your digital life.